So I got a recent query, so let's get on the recent query today. Trustpilot on landing page. I'm wondering if I should put Trustpilot on my landing page and if it's worth the $200 extra per month. My monthly budget is about 10K dollars. I'm running search campaigns, B2C, business to consumer with tCPA, target CPA. My rating on Trustpilot is 4.5 stars. Do you think it will improve my conversions? Trustpilot itself says the conversions improve by average 23%. What is your experience? Could you see some improvement? If so, how much? So either you run Google Ads or Meta Ads or Bing ads or any other ad. My opinion is even if you do SEO, okay, even if you do SEO, I think I have been speaking in various videos regarding aggregation or authenticity, which increases the customer trust before they buy it from you. Customer needs a trust before they buy something from you, and definitely Trustpilot helps over there. When I talk about, I have speaking in different videos regarding creating a relation with your audience, do different target see call to actions in your videos, but bring authenticity, bring trust, so that customers can buy you, add certifications where possible, increases your authenticity. Now Trustpilot is a very strong tool to increase your authenticity, and we've been using on my own website as well. And you may be surprised to see, let me show you my own website as well, but that we are a full-fledged Google partner company and have been speaking around. So let's say if I move on to my audit page, or the audit page, and along with this, let me show you another page as well, sorry. Merchant center suspensions, or ads disapprovals, either of the pages, and the audit page again, that you may be surprised to see that we have been showing the Trustpilot even on all of the pages. You can see around, we have been showing our Trustpilot over here because Trustpilot brings authenticity, and we got 4.6 rating. So you can see it's a very good rating before the customer buy from you. And even on the other pages, you may see around, we have been adding Trustpilot, trying to show it somewhere on the page, but even at the least, we have it by default on our footer as well, and in our disapproval page as well. It's being shown somewhere, right? Because we have to bring the authenticity. So you can see around. So yeah, Trustpilot definitely helps you. So my opinion is, yes, it's a good decision. Use it. We got very good results, and we definitely improved our conversions. Also, we are also running ads, and we definitely improved our conversions by a minimum of 5 to 10%. Now 5 to 10% can be a lot when you are paying visitor to land on your website. So try to understand when it's come to specifically a paid traffic. Even SEO is a paid traffic as well, because you are indirectly paying. With the Google ads, Meta ads, or Bing ads, you're directly paying for each visitor, but with SEO you are indirectly paying. So even in that scenario, that matters a lot. When you improve your conversions by 5 to 10%, this can result in a huge increment in your sales overall. So look at the bigger picture, broader picture, and there is no harm in adding Trustpilot in your website when you specifically had good results, and they actually advocate for you, for your service. So the consumers who have doubts or second thoughts about your service, this Trustpilot edition can minimize this, and the customers can easily or shorten the time phase for gaining the trust on you. So this also helped in that as well. So I hope you like my answer. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I will definitely help you in integrating Trustpilot reviews on your website as well if you hire me and my team for Google Ads management. So I hope I look forward to working with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.